Lucy, and we're gonna make a video about it. So stay ready and hip hop! I'm Aaron. I'm CJ, and this is Lucy!
How does Lucy make you feel?
Lucy makes me feel great, and I get to pet her every day I see her, and she just looks so beautiful and cute every day.
How does Lucy make you feel?
Happy. You don't.
How does Lucy make you feel?
She makes you feel happy. Lucette. Good girl. High five. Oh, good girl. Paw. Good girl. Yeah. Spin. Good girl.
What is something that Lucy has helped you with?
She helps me with when I need to take a walk, and she always there for me.
Can you relate to Lucy in any way?
Funny, nice, calm, chill. Tough.
How does Lucy make you feel calm?
She like whenever she's calm, I'm calm.
What is your favorite thing about Lucy?
Playing with her.
So what are your favorite things about Lucy?
That she be wearing clothes, and that she wags her tail when she sees me, and that she listens to me when I say sit or paw or high five, and I just love her so much.
What is your favorite thing about Lucy?
Sometimes she can be very calm and very peaceful.
How do you show responsibility for Lucy?
Well, I do lots of things for her. First of all, I come up and I open her thing sometimes, and I get it and I grab it and get a little bit more for her because I know she did eat, but she's probably still hungry. After that, I come up and I put water in her bowl after a cat bit. Sometimes I grab her a treat. It's a shape of a heart because I love her. Come here, Lucy. And that's how cute she is. She's a real cute chihuahua. So,
How is it like having a therapy dog in session with you?
great.
Why is it great?
Because she keeps me calm, happy, and focused.
What do you like about having a therapy dog in school?
I actually had 2 therapy dogs, and most of the time I think Lucy's my favorite therapy dog.
How does Lucy help you both with your emotions?
Calm. She makes us calm.
But sometimes it makes us excited.
Yeah, a lot of times she probably makes us calm, but less times she makes us excited, but a lot of times she makes us calmer. Because she's a therapy dog, and she's a social worker dog and a therapy dog. She's my social worker dog.
What is it like having a therapy dog in your school?
Having a therapy dog in my school it's different because most public schools don't do that. Where like here it's different because this is like a private school, and it teaches us a lot about like having patience and having like it's fun.
If you could describe Lucy in 3 words, how would you describe her?
Funny, calm, and making people happy. See you next time.
Bye!
This is Aaron. This is CJ. And this is Lucy.